Hello students, how are you? So this topic we will discuss about dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as a Kelvin cycle. Dark reaction is also known as Kelvin cycle. Clear? See, in case of dark reaction, what happens? As you all know that the output of light reaction are the energy providers like your ATP and NADPH. So in the presence of these energy providers, your carbon dioxide gas is completely changes into glucose C6H12O6. So this following reaction takes place in case of a dark reaction, and you have to remember that a dark reaction only occur in the stroma of the plastids. So inside the plastid a liquid is present, and that liquid is known as your stroma, and by the help of some enzymes, so your carbon dioxide gas is completely changes into glucose. Clear? So this is all about your photosynthesis. Then come to discuss about the factors which are completely affecting our photosynthesis. See, these are 4 factors who are responsible for the photosynthesis, and the first one is light. As you know that out of 7 colors, only blue and red color lights are suitable for photosynthesis process. But in case of low light intensity, photosynthesis process decreases, and also in case of a high light intensity, photosynthesis process also decreases. So at moderate condition, in the presence of blue and red lights, the photosynthesis process is carried out very well. Then come to temperature. So as you know that photosynthesis process in case of your dark reaction, that is completely based on enzymes. So the action of enzyme runs very well between 5 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Below this temperature, the enzymes can't act properly, and above this temperature, the enzymes also can't act properly. So within this temperature, photosynthesis process runs very well. Then come to carbon dioxide. As you all know that carbon dioxide is the main component of photosynthesis, main components for photosynthesis process, because carbon dioxide it changes into your glucose. But if carbon dioxide gas increases, then no doubt photosynthesis will increase. But excess carbon dioxide become toxic to the plants. So we should have to maintain the carbon dioxide balance properly. And water. How can't we forget about water? Because water causes the opening of stomatal pores. If the stomatal pores will not open, then the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere will not enter into. So that these 4 factors are quite responsible for your photosynthesis process. So successfully we have completed this part, and very soon we will see and we will all together discuss about the further. So till then, happy learning.